Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Pixel 10 Pro, and now I can show you how to set up and use Face Unlock on your device. It's very easy to do, so just open Settings, then in Settings scroll down and find here Security and Privacy. Then scroll a bit down, find here Device Unlock, click on it, and here you will see Screen Lock. Click on Screen Lock, and here firstly we should set up one of these three types of screen protection. We can use pattern lock, pin lock, or password lock. Pattern is just a pattern, you know. Pin it's just a series of numbers. Or password, in password you can use numbers or letters. Okay, so I want to set up a pin code. I can set up from 4 to 6 digits pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I just want to use this simple screen lock pin. Click confirm. Show all notification content or show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notification at all if you want. I like to use this setting. Okay, and now we can add a face. As you can see here we have the option to add a face unlock. So here you should re-enter your pin code we just created. Click OK, and here we have set up face unlock. Scroll a bit down and here you will see agree button. Click on this button and go. As you can see here we have instruction. So click start and just put your face inside this circle, and you will see the direction when you should look. Okay, as you can see, look a bit down and up. And cool, that's it. That's it. I just licked my face, but okay. Skip lock screen if you want. So what is that? If you will skip lock screen, so when your camera will see your face, it will just unlock and move you to the home screen. But I like to see my lock screen. I like to have different wallpapers on my lock screen and my home page, and I like to read notifications and sensitive notifications when unlocked, but when on lock screen. So click done and agree. You can set up fingerprint, but I don't want to do this in this video. And cool. And now when I just put in my face in my camera, I can unlock my device. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Here you have different settings. For example, require eyes to be open. For example, what it means that if I will now I will see to different direction. For example, I will look on the left side of my screen, right? And okay, maybe it's not works so good now. Maybe they should update software because it doesn't work too good in now. And as you can see, always require confirmation when using face unlock in apps. Okay, in apps you should enable this feature. It's very useful. Unlock your phone, verify that it's you in apps, skip lock screen. I don't know why I enabled it. And now, okay, as you can see, now my phone is unlocked. As you can see, I can read my notification on my home screen or on my lock screen, and if I want, I can swipe up to unlock it. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. So please, if it's true, consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.